Wagwan, wagwan. Recommending something for iron saw. Green sludge in the tire. About 4 ounces. Get the fuck out of here, cat. One hand, you got screwed off with a valve. Already screwed off already. This should help you prevent from catching flats. So about 4 ounces. So I'll put one in half of this in the rear tire, half in the front tire. Let's let the air out. First you gotta air the tire up, then let the air out. And squirt it in. Get the fuck out of here. Stupid cat. Alley cats. Irie. That's the term I use to help you prevent flats. You could buy the tire that comes with it already inside of it. But I just buy it myself because I got a lot of tubes. Irie.